Okay, let me get off of here. Oh well. I'm just gonna go on top of it. You could have broken my bone! I haven't stop, ya no! Do we even have eyes? Well, I can make eyes. See? There's some eyes. What? How did you just... I'm gonna make eyes for myself then. There's some eyes.
Hey guy, what about the green face?
Here's about the green face.
Yeah, the green face wasn't covered in eyes, no.
Yeah, I know. Well, whatever. Hey, are you new? 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 Hey, you're new. You're new, right? Okay. Looking good. Don't say that one more time. Yeah, I agree. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. But no, but seriously, are you new? And where do you come from? Well, duh, you probably know where I came from. Oh, let me guess. You came from the cubicle.us. No, I came from the speakcubeshop.au, duh. Oh, by the way, I use the discount code encoded. Yeah. It's just a good discount code. By the way, you should check out his channel. No, he's a stinking channel, and our channel is ours. That doesn't really make sense. Besides, you got your grammar wrong. Hey, you know I'm looking good more than you. No, I'm good, looking good. Me. Oh yeah, you're pretty light. Oh yeah, you're pretty light. Just stop saying that, you stupid. Hey, guys, do I look a little different from you other guys? Why is your turning so stiff? No, it's not stiff. Okay, let's test guarded cutting. Oh wow, that's really good. What in the...
his corner cutting is better. This guy's corner
Well,
cutting
yeah,
is better.
I can flex my guarded cutting as much as I want. Let's do it with a D layer.
Dumb.
No, it's not. I can flex my sledgehammer. No, yeah. I can flex my sledgehammer. Yeah. No, I can. See? My sledgehammer is cool, right?
Yeah, you guys have the sledgehammer, but what about the hedge slammer?
Well, I can do the hedge slammer like this.
Why don't you try?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, you're just totally filthy at that school.
No, I'm not. Yeah. Look, I can finish off the hedge slammer. Look at this. Yay.
It's filthy.
Looking good.
I told you to stop saying that, right?
Hey, why are you in your pajamas, dude?
Oh, I don't know.
Stop putting yourself in front of all those viewers in your pajamas.
Okay. What about I just block it with my clothes, with my other? They're still showing.
And stop that. Hey, hi guys. What?
Sitting down here?
What? You're still here? I thought you were gone. No, I was just kind of at a shopping
I'm
again.
out of here.
Oh shoot. Okay, you were at a shopping mall again? Well, hey, where's the 2x2? Oh, what were those weird voices outside? Oh well.